Hi. I remember a time in my life where I was going through menopause and feeling really miserable, a lot of embarrassing moments, and then experiencing the hot flashes, the night sweats, the mood swings, and even vaginal dryness, which is extremely painful. And, I didn't know what I was going to do. It's very frustrating. It's like feeling like you're in a hole and you can't dig out. Have you ever felt that way? Whether it's menopause or maybe some kind of illness that you're experiencing in your life and you're wondering, if you can ever get through it or get past it. Well, with the menopause experience, there were things that would happen like, as far as being embarrassing, I remember sitting in Zen. So it's a Buddhist practice, and Zen Buddhism is you're sitting in meditation in complete silence. And I remember sitting in a room in a group of people, about 20 people, and we're all sitting in silence, and all of a sudden I feel this rush of heat coming up through my body. So I'm having a hot flash. And it's like I just wanted to strip my clothes off because, if you've ever experienced it, or even if you haven't, just letting you know it is so uncomfortable. And in that situation, and everyone's sitting in silence, it's like, what am I supposed to do? I can only strip down so far, and trying to be discreet and trying to be quiet because I didn't want people to know what I was going through, right? So I was trying to take, my layers off slowly, quietly, and, really all I wanted to do was just run out of the room because, like I said, it was very embarrassing. And then there was a time where, like, night sweats, my husband at the time, he used to call me a human heating pad. Huh. Living in Idaho at the time, in those cold winter months, yeah, I'm sure it was great for him. But for me, of course, it was miserable and just no fun. So I tried different methods. I tried the allopathic or the conventional route, with going through the doctors. And, the antidepressants were suggested. This well-meaning nurse practitioner, she offered me Premarin, and bless her heart. She hugged me. She was very compassionate and from the heart. And I knew that, I recognized that, and I really appreciated her being there for me. But when she offered me the Premarin, because of the estrogen in it, trying to help balance out the hormones to lessen the hot flashes and the night sweats and those menopausal symptoms, I didn't have the heart to tell her that Premarin is actually made from a pregnant mare's urine. It's very high in estrogen, and I'm not a horse. Love horses, but I am not a horse, and I didn't want to put that in my body. So I went ahead and accepted it because I know her heart was in the right place. But then when I got home, I just threw it away. And then I was taking bioidentical hormone replacement therapy, which it is a prescription. I had to have my blood work monitored pretty frequently to check my testosterone, my progesterone, and my estrogen levels. And it helped some, but I don't know about you, but having your blood work constantly taken, having your blood drawn is not my idea of fun. And it is a prescription drug, and I don't want to be on prescriptions. I'd rather not, because there's always, down the road, there's always some kind of side effect that's not body friendly. But I tried all those, and I tried more natural means like taking supplements to feed my adrenals, because whenever you're tired or there's a lot going on, a lot of stress, you can overexhaust your adrenals. You burn out a lot of, you lose a lot of your B complex, and you're exhausted, you're tired, and it messes with your hormones. And so I tried that. And so I was on this roller coaster up and down, and I'd feel better, and then I would dip down to the same problems again. And there was even a time where I was dealing with hypothyroidism, so low thyroid, and I was on medication for that too. Now at age 64, I am totally med free. I was able to wean myself off, and I I'm so blessed. One of my girlfriends introduced me to green smoothies, and an option that's non-dairy and fresh greens and like fresh or frozen fruit, and then a non-dairy again option as far as like nut milks, almond milk, coconut milk, this kind of thing. And that is a quick way to get that high power nutrition, and so whole plant foods into your body, and then it actually can feed the cells of your body, which if the body's given the tools that you know, the right tools, it's designed to rebalance and to heal itself. So she introduced me to that. So I started incorporating more green smoothies and more fresh plant-based nutrition into my life. And there again, I was able to wean myself off of the hormone replacement therapy, and then later on off the Armour thyroid. And then I noticed other things happening, changes like strong fingernails, more energy, just amazing. So this is why I am doing this website, and I'm offering these things about ultimate self-care practices, which are also some things I included, and that has gotten me to where I am today. Whole plant-based nutrition, and then belly dance fitness, which is just a fun way to move your body, and you know, helps to balance you out and replenish and rejuvenate. So anyway, so this is why I decided to do this, and my sincere desire is to reach as many women as possible and to show you that you too can live a med-free life that's happy and fulfilling, and let's just do this in a fun and playful way. So have fun going through my site. I have several things to offer you. And until next time, Ultreya, move forward with courage and in love. Bye-bye.